Welcome to the demo of Pact, a habit tracker for iOS which helps you track every win and every slip. Most habit trackers just let you track streaks, and in my opinion, that does not reflect the actual progress that you may or may not be making. I'm going to walk you through how Pact addresses that issue with its unique check-in system. Let's start by creating a pact or a habit wherein the user wants to eat healthy. I'm also going to switch to light mode for this demo. Now that we have our pact set up, I'm going to quickly change the view style to the compact view. Okay, this is what tracking this habit in most other habit trackers would look like, with 5 out of 7 successful days of eating healthy in a week. But what if on the current day the user ate a pizza? Pact's check-in system lets you add an unsuccessful check-in, which reduces 5 points from the daily score. Well, not only a pizza, what if the user also ate a burger along with that? The idea is that the user now adds a second unsuccessful check-in for the same day, bringing the daily score against that habit down to -10. You might have noticed in this weekly grid that there's a missing entry for Tuesday. Let's assume the user had a donut on that day. We'll quickly go into the details of our pact, then into the check-in history, and add a retrospective unsuccessful check-in for Tuesday. Now, the grid for the current week reflects a more accurate picture of how well the user was able to stick to their pact. The graph for the current week also shows how the score varied. If followed diligently, this is what a user's graph for a particular pact would look like over the course of a few months. The graphic view can now show a true sense of progression of this habit over a larger time scale, giving the user an insight into whether they're actually progressing or not. Add more pacts and this is what it would look like. The today view at the bottom shows your score against each pact for the current day. In the settings at the top left, you also have the option to sort pacts in a few different ways. And of course, you can also revert to the expanded view style if you like. Quickly covering some smaller features of Pact, you can add a quick check-in by pressing and holding on the check-in button. You can also edit pacts by going into their detailed view and also track their amounts. For example, let's say you want to meditate daily for 15 minutes. Well, that's about all for this demo. Hope you see the value in Pact, and thanks for your time.